So tell me about this program. How does a restaurant get certified as being green?
Well, we have 5 different areas that we look at. So we look at energy efficiency, water conservation, waste reduction, pollution prevention, and wastewater management.
And the food too, right?
Yes, yes. Many of our restaurants actually serve food that is organic, that is locally grown, that is fair trade, or that is otherwise sustainable. When it comes to energy efficiency in restaurants, one of the big things that we look at is the lighting. So we want to make sure that all of our restaurants are using energy efficient lighting. We do have a number of other things that we look at. We definitely want to make sure that they are providing proper maintenance of their heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. We also want to make sure that their appliances are energy efficient and also look at their refrigeration, make sure that it's operating as efficiently as possible. We want our restaurants to conserve water as much as possible. One of the big ways that we do that is actually by requiring that they have low flow toilets. And so that means that if a restaurant has an older toilet that is using perhaps up to 3.5 gallons of water each time it's flushed, we actually require that they upgrade to one that is at least 1.6.
At least 1.6, okay.
Correct.
And aerators?
Yes, we also do want to make sure that they have low flow aerators on all of their faucets. We want our green restaurants to be diverting as much as possible from the landfill, and that's done through recycling and then also through composting food waste.
What shouldn't be going down the storm drain that a restaurant will have to change?
Well, it's usually like chemicals. Anything that has chemicals like cleaning products, if they're washing things, all of that needs to be diverted so it does not go into the storm drains.
Which brings us to the last one, which is let's talk about chemicals. What's the expectations there?
Well, we want our green restaurants to minimize chemical usage as much as possible. And so there's a couple of areas that we look at in particular. One is their cleaning products. We want to make sure that they're using the least toxic cleaning products that are available to them. And we also look at other areas of chemical usage. So, for example, with pest control, they should be making sure that there's no unnecessary chemical usage there.
What's the bottom line? I mean, will I save any money?
Well, that's the good thing about this is that by saving energy, by saving water, by reducing your garbage collection, all of those things can actually help you to save money. And then certainly you can also attract new customers who are interested in supporting a green restaurant.
Is there something you do to help me find customers?
Yes, we actually do support and market and promote all of our green businesses.
Right.
And we do that in different ways. One of the ways that we do it is by maintaining a green business directory. You can go onto the directory, you can search by city, you can search by keyword, and then yes, you'll get a listing right there of all of the certified restaurants.
Fantastic. So I could look up Mexican restaurant in Albany.
Yes.
And there it would be. Huh?
Exactly.
Fantastic.
Exactly. We do have a logo for the Green Business Program, and that actually helps to identify the restaurants that
Would you get to put it on the front door or something?
Yes, it's a decal that restaurants can put on their front door.
Cool.
They also post it on their website and in their marketing materials. And it's one way to help the public to identify the restaurants that have actually gone through a process of being certified as being green.